Hey everyone, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's Panini Gridiron Gear box break. And several teams didn't sell, so this might be the last one of these I do. Despite the fact that I personally think it's better than some of the other stuff, it doesn't sell as well, so. We've definitely gotten better hits out of this than we have out of Elite or Threads, though. So here we go. Just a little bit here. Okay, London Fletcher, Donnie Jones, Hakeem Nicks, Prince of Mukamara, Fred Jackson, Darren McFadden, Tony Gonzalez, Alex Smith. Johnny Knox, Tony Romo, Chris Hope, safety for the Titans, that's numbered out 250. Jimmy Smith, Mark Sanchez, Antonio Gates, Kellen Winslow, Paris Lennon. This one's extra thick, so I think it's going to hit. And it does. Tom Brady, Derek Johnson, Chad Henne, Darrell Gamble, Lawrence Timmons, Champ Bailey, and Dominic Sue, Matt Hasselbeck. And the first hit is for the Dolphins. It is listed as prime, but it doesn't look like there's much there. It looks, I don't know, it looks weird. It's Brandon Marshall. It's number 13 out of 50. Peyton Hillis, Michael Vick, Deion Branch, DeAndre Brown, Steve Johnson, Jason Campbell, Jonathan Vilma, Michael Crabtree, and the second hit, the Rams, and Austin Pettis, rookie Gridiron Gem. This one feels really thick too. Nope, just a Brandon Marshall, Chris Hope, Danny Amendola, numbered at 250. Aaron Williams, Vincent Jackson, Hines Ward, Steven Jackson, Matthew Stafford. Jermichael Finley, Andre Johnson, Dwayne Harris, rookie, numbered at 250. Brandon Harris, Brandon Lloyd, Sean Green, Asante Samuel, LeGarrette Blount. Phillip Rivers, Calvin Johnson, Marshawn Lynch, that's numbered out of 100. Nathan Enderle, from the Bears, never heard of him. Ed Reed, Maurice Jones-Drew, Jared Cook, Steve Smith. Charles Woodson, Mercedes Lewis, Ryan Terrain, Jordan Cameron, Rashard Mendenhall, Noshawn Moreno, Chad Greenway, Brandon Gibson. Matt Forte, Pierre Garcon, Dion Lewis, that is numbered 21 out of 25. Stephen Paya, Mike Tolbert, Lee Evans, Ahmad Bradshaw, Marcus Colston. Arian Foster, Aaron Rodgers, Reggie Wayne, Marvin Austin, Brian Urlacher, Jordan Shipley, Nnamdi Asomugha, Mike Williams. Jermaine Gresham, Mario Manningham, Jimmy Smith, rookie, numbered out of 100. DeMarco Sampson, Ray Lewis, Jeremy Macklin, Curtis Lofton, James Laurinaitis. So 6 packs left, still 2 more hits. Donovan McNabb, Cedric Benson, Eli Manning, Julius Thomas, DeMarcus Ware, Jamal Charles, Ronnie Brown, Pierre Thomas, and another, oh, this one's not prime, but it actually has a little something in there. Andy Dalton, rookie orientation jersey, numbered 263 out of 299. Jared Mayo, Nate Washington, Blaine Gabbert, rookie orientation, numbered 21 out of 100. Mark Dell, Darrelle Revis, Carlos Dansby, Vernon Davis, and Roddy White. Wes Welker, Dwayne Bowe, Game Breakers, Brandon Lloyd, Marcus Gilchrist, Colt McCoy, Dallas Clark, Jared Allen, D'Angelo Williams. 3 more to go. Matt Schaub, Greg Jennings, Mike Thomas, Pat Devlin, LaShawn McCoy, Miles Austin, Jonathan Stewart, Santana Moss. D'Angelo Hall, TJ Ward, Brandon Jacobs, Denarius Moore, Tyvon Branch, Anquan Bolden, Patrick Willis, Percy Harvin. 2 more. They're both pretty thin, so hopefully it'll be an auto. Devin McCourty, Chris Johnson, there it is. Damian Barry, Tim Tebow, Ray Rice, Danny Amendola, Matt Ryan. And the 4th hit is a Quentin Carter from the Broncos, rookie auto, number 234 out of 299. Peyton Manning, Javid Best, Ben Roethlisberger, NFL Nation, Greg Salas, Kevin Cobb, Mohamed Massaquoi, Sam Bradford, and Michael Turner. So here's the recap of the hits. Quentin Carter, rookie for the Broncos. That goes to Russell T. The Bengals, also Russell T. Andy Dalton jersey. The Rams, Rob T. The Austin Pettis signed piece of jersey. And the Miami Dolphins, also Russell T. The Brandon Marshall prime jersey. Alright, thanks for your purchases, and be sure to check out the website, hobbyboxbreakers.com. Add us to your favorite eBay sellers. I just put up for the weekend, let's see, football was Panini Certified and Panini Crown Royal. So we'll be doing those, I guess Crown Royale. We'll be doing those. And then next week I'm going to put up I got some of the new SP Authentic. So we'll be doing that one. And Donruss Elite's usually what we do on Wednesdays. So probably the last Gridiron gear for a while, at least. So just check out the website, follow us on Twitter, add us to your favorite sellers. Thanks again, and I'll get your cards out over the weekend here.